Hello everyone, Sheila back on my knitting channel. I am just doing a little bit knitting while I'm doing this video because I will be going out into my garden today because it's a beautiful day and I do have a few things. I have some onions to plant in my garden and I have some potatoes which I pinched a few off my granddaughter. She had a lot. They're not very big ones, so because when you plant potatoes you have to have enough potato for the plant to feed off when you plant them, and these, she seemed to get very small potatoes last year from, she bought the actual seed potatoes, and I said to her, I never buy seed potato, I just buy the ones that you buy normally to use. I says, and if I get any that starts sprouting like chitting they call it, I says, that's the ones I use, and I usually use a brand called Charlotte, which is the name of one of my granddaughters actually. But you get a good crop of them, you get good sized potatoes for chips and everything. But anyway, I said I'd pinch these ones off her, the biggest ones I could find in the thing. I says, and I'll see how they grow in my garden and see if we get any bigger ones than she got. But she grew them in just buckets, you know, because she hasn't got a very large garden. She grew them in buckets last year, and they were just small buckets, and she put 3 in, and I think she had too many. I think you should only had 1 in the bucket, Cheryl. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do, plant some of those potatoes that I pinched off her. She's got too many of them anyway for the size of her garden. And I had a lot of onions that my subscriber Liz sent to me, so I gave some of them to Cheryl because there's probably more than I have room for amongst the other things I'm going to plant in my garden, and the things I've already planted. I already have some onions in and some potatoes in and beetroot, and I'm going to have to do some seed trees for my green, the veg and lettuce and broccoli and things like that. So I need to sort them out as well. But it is a lovely day and it's nice and warm. But I am doing just to let you see what I'm doing, 16-inch little blackberry cardigan. This is for my friend Anne, who she is knitting 1 or 2 things for a friend who's expecting a grandson it is, because it's blue and turquoise and colours like that she wants doing. But I said to her, you know, I says, you could knit that yourself. I says, Anne, it's very easy, actually easy pattern. She says, oh, no, I'll leave it up to you. You're better at that pattern than me. I like just ordinary ones where you can just knit and purl. And I says, well, that's all this is, knit and purl. You've just got to drop the stitch down so many rows to make the blackberry pattern, and or drop the stitch down. She says, I'll lost the whole lot if I have to drop them down. So anyway, and I did say to her, you know, I says, I've got a one this size. I says, an 18-inch though. I says, a cardigan with a little hat. Oh no, I just want 16-inch. Oh, I says, you would, wouldn't you? So anyway, I'm doing this one as well because I've changed my pattern. That's my pattern. I've been changing the picture on the on Etsy and eBay and Ko-fi, all the places I have the pattern, and I have put this pattern here. The white one is for a lady called Patricia. I'll be sending that to her. But the blue and white one, 16-inch one, and the turquoise 18-inch one with a little heart, I have put up on eBay. So if anyone is interested, have a look on eBay. And like I'm saying, the pattern has changed as well, so I could get more information in the pattern, because I did have a lot of problems with people messaging me because they thought there was no hat on the hat instructions on the pattern because they couldn't see where I had put it. So I've altered the pattern, and so there's only a picture on the front now. There's just instructions on the back, so there's no picture on the back for for that, but it does show you everything that's on the in the pattern there, the bonnet and the hat, because the bonnet is extra on that pattern. So that's the one I'm doing for my friend. It's a 16-inch one that she wants. She could have had the little blue and white one that I've done, but that's a 16-inch, but she just wants the turquoise in the one colour. So anyway, I was at my granddaughter's yesterday. I'm just doing this video and then I'm nipping out in my garden. But I went to my granddaughter's Sunday, Easter Sunday. And, you know, I went in. I had Easter eggs for the kids and that in my bag and that. And I went straight into the kitchen. Sheila was out doing a little extra job she has on a Sunday. And she comes in later on, but Craig was there doing the dinner, so I was chatting away to Craig in the kitchen, and little Eddie, he's a 7-year-old, comes in saying to me, "You know what day it is, Nana?" I says, "It's Sunday." He says, "I know, but do you know what day it is?" I says, "It's Sunday all day today." "No, Nana, what day is it?" I says, "It's Sunday, the 5th of April. Nana, I know your Easter eggs are in me bag. You'll get them when I saw it. I'm busy talking to your dad. Get lost." That's kids for you, you know, they can't wait until they're given what you bring them. So that was my day there, and I haven't had a video for a couple of days because it's been the Easter holiday, you know, I'm entitled to a rest now and again. I hope everyone's enjoyed their Easter break, all of them people that's normally having to go out to work and having the weekend off and that, but that's what I'm doing, just what I can with this little thing. But I have been doing I'll put that down in a minute. I have been doing another pattern. This is 16-inch. This is the open moss stitch pattern. I've done the back. I'm doing a tutorial for this. I haven't done a 16-inch on. I've done one or two of this one on my Just Knitting channel, but I haven't done a 16-inch. I'm doing this for a reason. I've done the back and one of the fronts, and I'm halfway through the other front, but I've already knitted one of the sleeves, which I do anyway when I do these, because there's two sleeves exactly the same. So I've done one sleeve, and when I finish the instructions, I have to put the instructions for the rest of the right front up, and then I'll do the other sleeve, and I'll have that up on my Just Knitting channel. But like I said, there's a reason I'm doing that. This is the pattern. I don't know what it is with this pattern, whether it's because it's got a lot of dark colour down here and on the back as well, but every time I print this pattern out, nearly every time, I end up with black ink spots on the pattern. Sometimes they're just in the corner, or sometimes it's a spot in the middle of the thing. It doesn't interfere with any of the instructions on the pattern. But the only thing I can think of is because of all this dark colour around here, and it's affecting the ink. It's the only pattern it does it with. I have 21 patterns, and some of them even have colour like that, but not quite as much as on this one. And I think it's something to do with that, that's making too much ink, black ink, come out. I end up with a spot, and I have to end up putting them into packs that I sell for seconds. So I usually have to print about, to get one pattern out, I've usually got to print about 3 to get one without any ink on. So that's why I'm knitting this, because this picture on here, I have not got this picture anymore without the writing across, and when I put the pattern up, I don't want this this picture anyway with this dark colour. I want a lighter one, so that's maybe it's going to stop the ink spots. And as I want to put my patterns up now with the pattern number and whether it's in double knitting, well, most of my patterns are in double knitting. I think I have one chunky one. And then I'm also put my logo, which is Sheila's Crafty, on the bottom of the thing, and also on the bottom of the pattern, all the instructions I write Sheila's Crafty knitting patterns on, because that's my, they're not copyrighted. I think you have to pay for to get copyrighted, but that's what makes them my patterns. So that's the reason I'm doing this one, because I want a picture for to put on the front of the pattern, because I just do not have that picture anymore, which I don't want anyway because of the brown on, and all the other ones I've got, I don't have an open moss stitch picture. I must have deleted them all a long time ago, so that's why I'm doing this one. So it'll be a 16-inch, and when it's finished I'll be making a picture for, I may do another one, I may do an 18-inch as well, and have the two pictures on a lighter background on the thing. So that's what I'm doing that one for. But I'm just doing a little bit of this, and then I'm going to be out in my garden and enjoy the weather while we are getting it, because heaven knows what we're going to get later on. You know, sometimes when we get lovely days like this, it's nice today. I think it's going to be even nicer tomorrow. And then after that, we usually pay for it with some rotten weather. So, thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you another time. I may even let you see what I get done in my garden. If I get what I want done. So, bye for now.